Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, kindly remember to go down below and hit the subscribe button, and remember to give this video a like. So in today's video, I'm going to be covering data entry and basically for beginners. And I'm going to cover types of data entries, talk about what is data entries, what are some of the organizations that hire for data entry services, and some of the categories. And then towards the end of this video, I'm going to be mentioning some of the places that you can go have your training. If you have no prior training on data entry, I'm also going to mention the skills and also going to mention some of the key companies where you can actually apply for data entry, and also show you how you can use Grammarly in data entry tasks. So kindly remember to keep watching until the end of this video, and remember to give it a like, share, and comment down below on the comment section below for any inquiries or any comment that you like to leave behind. I'll go through them, and remember that I really appreciate your presence in this channel. So without further ado, what is data entry? So data entry refers to the process of inputting, organizing, and managing data into a computer system or database, and it involves transferring information from various sources such as paper documents, online forms, or digital files in a standardized format that can easily be accessed and analyzed. It also plays a crucial role in maintaining accurate and up-to-date records for businesses and organizations. So what are some of the types of data entry? We have the manual data entry, which involves physical documents such as handwritten forms, surveys, invoices, or paper-based records. Then we have online data entries, where we have the content management systems or other web-based platforms. We also have spreadsheets, data entry. I'm going to be going through them so quickly. If you'd like to go through this in depth, I'll leave a link down below on my PDF, and you can just go and download it and go through the notes to get more information out of this. So let's proceed. We have the spreadsheet data entry. This involves entering data into spreadsheet softwares such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. So these are the main data entry types of data entry: the manual, the online, and the spreadsheet. So what are some of the skills that are required for data entry? We have the typing skills. You should be good in typing, at least in your words per minute. Accuracy, that increases productivity and reduces the errors. Then attention to detail, as various inconsistencies may provide missing information, and this may cost the clients who have given you this work to do. So you need to rectify them appropriately. Attention to detail is key. Accuracy. You need to maintain a high level of accuracy in essential data entry and ensure the entered data is error-free. It's because even the minor mistakes can lead to significant problems and affect the overall quality of the data. You also need to keep time. So time management helps in prioritizing tasks, meeting targets, and maintaining productivity, especially when you have large volumes of data and you need to meet deadlines. Then we have the computer proficiency. You should have good understanding of computer systems, including the knowledge of operating systems, file management, and commonly used softwares like spreadsheets and databases. Knowledge of data entry tools such as Excel, data management systems, or specialized entry software, which is very beneficial. You also need to have organizational and data management. This includes sorting, categorizing, labeling data in a systematic manner for easy retrieval and analysis. Then number 8, you have the communication skills. You should have clear communication skills, which helps the team members in seeking clarification about data. Effective communication also ensures data entry operators understand their requirements and expectations accurately. Then you also have to be good in problem solving. Um, this helps resolve issues like missing data and clear instructions, inconsistencies. You need to be proactive in finding solutions and improve the quality of efficiency of the data entry work that you've been assigned to. Then number 10, which is the most essential thing that I need to really rubber stamp on: confidentiality and data security. You will be handling very sensitive or highly sensitive information, and many of these companies use cybersecurity features to make sure that their data that is shared between you and the client, or between you and the organization, that you maintain the confidentiality. This is to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access or misuse of the same. So, what are some of the industries that hire for data entry? We have healthcare, we have financial services, we have the retail and e commerce, we have the market research, logistics and supply chains. We have the government agencies, which may require information like census data, government related databases, administrative data, public health information, and etc. Then we have education institutions such as schools, colleges, and universities. We have marketplaces and crowdsourcing platforms. Such as the crowdsourcing, online marketplaces, gig economic platforms, um, user profiles, project information, and other platform related data. We also have non organizations where they keep data regarding their fundraising, volunteer records, and program related data. And then finally, we have the research and academia, where organizations may hire data professionals to assist with data collection, data entry, data management for research projects, surveys, experiments, or academic publications. So, what are some of the categories of data entry tasks, you might ask? We have the textual data entry. This involves entering information into a computer or system database, and this includes tasks such as typing out documents, transcribing audio recordings or handwritten notes, entering survey responses, or inputting data from forms or questionnaires. We also have numeric data entry, which focuses on entering numerical information accurately, such as sales figures, inventory records, statistical data, or other numeric information that needs to be stored. We also have the alphanumeric data entry, which is a combination of both the letters, numbers, and symbols. Then we have the database data entry. This category involves entering or updating data within a database system by creating and updating records, entering customer information, managing inventory data, or populating and maintaining databases with relevant data. Then we have the online data. This one I had said it's about content management systems, and this may include the website content, managing online databases, and what have you. We have the spreadsheet data entry, the image or PDF data entry. I'll mention on this a little bit. Concerning the image or PDF data entry, you might be asked, or you might be given a file, and then you're told to convert the file from a PDF to a Word document, or from a Word document to a PDF, or to a text document. So you actually get optical character recognition softwares that can easily help you do this. I've covered a video on this channel, um, and especially one by the name TinyWow, that has these tools that enable you to go through this in an easier manner. So I'll leave a link, or I'll just link it on this video above here. You just find it above here. Click on that, go watch it. It's gonna come in handy, especially when you get to apply for data entry jobs, or if you land a data entry job, which is my prayer for all of you. Then we have the data cleaning and verification. This involves correcting existing data for accuracy and consistency. Then we have data conversion, from one format to another, that is from a physical document to digital format, or converting data from one software database format to another. Then we have the data mining and research. This involves extracting relevant data from various sources such as websites, research papers, online databases. And in this data mining and research, you might be presented a paper that has 2 pages, and the client might ask you to generate 3 more pages. That amounts to 5 pages. So you'll have to do your data mining and research, then compile the information from multiple sources and conduct the research, and then gather the data. Then we have data processing. And under data processing, it's quite long. We have data cleaning, we have data integration, data transformation, data analysis, visualization, reporting, and decision making. So remember, as I've said, I'm going to leave a PDF below so that you can go through this in depth and make sure that you understand every bit of it. So these are some of the questions I'm going to be tackling. So kindly remember to hit the subscribe button below, give this video a thumbs up, and watch until the end, because I'm going to be showing you how some of the companies you can apply for the data entry jobs, where you can train, and places that you can take your tests. And that's where we are headed in. Let's jump right in. So the first company where you
And then
can,
for
or
this, they've
website
given
rather,
me
where you can go have
22
do your
minutes.
tests if you're conversant with
So
the various
let's
softwares I've
start.
mentioned, like the Microsoft Excel, the Access, the Google Sheets.
Once you're done, just
If you
press
have a
on
basic knowledge of that,
enter.
you can have data entry test to maybe type your typing speeds.
And you get
One
to
of it
see
is
where that gets you to.
aptitudetest.com. So just
So
go
you need
ahead
to
and
also
type in
have basic
www.aptitudetest.com. I'm
skills
also going
on
to leave the links down below in the description
computer
box to make it
keyboard,
easier for
the
you.
use of keyboard.
So I've already done that. I've
So
Googled aptitude data entry, and I'm just gonna click on begin. And then for this, they've given me 22 minutes. So let's start. Once you're done, just press on enter, and you get to see where that gets you to. So you need to also have basic skills on computer keyboard, the use of keyboard. So I'm not gonna keep you here for long to keep seeing what it is, but I think you've gotten a rough idea of what you're going to encounter. So that's number one. Then number two, I'd advise you to go check out, is goes by the name practice test. So I'll also leave the link down below. This is how it looks like. So the practice test, free online typing and data entry lessons, drills and tests. So you need to scroll all the way down, and you have street addresses, data entry, zip code drills, credit card, Provlet data entry. There have around 8 types of tests. So once you down here, you just click on start the test. And then you can see for this one, they've given you alphanumeric. That is, we have characters that have numbers and letters. I'm so poor typing while talking at the same time. Is 100%. So you see, it's basically not that difficult, but the level goes the level rises as you go um, doing more and more tests. So that's why I've told you have various tests that you can do. You can learn touch typing, typing symbols, alphabet sentences, basic data entry, zip codes, credit card numbers, street addresses, and the list goes on and on. Then the number three is we have is gonatype.com. I'll also leave a link down below. So this is how it looks like when you just type it on Google. And then you have 60 seconds for the first data entry test. I have 60 seconds. And unlike the aptitude and the practice test, this now you have to type the test. And you've been given 60 seconds. So this test your word per minute. So what you all require to do is just begin typing, and once you begin typing, the time starts moving. So once you're typing a word, just click on enter, and feel free to go type as much as you would like to. For me, it tells me that I have 19 words per minute, which is really low. So you keep on. Accuracy gave me 84.21, and that includes the misspellings. That is the gross typing speed. So you need to work on typing speed is actually 16 words per minute. Wow, for the correctly spelled words. So head on to Gonna Type, go do your test as much as you can. And then finally, we're going to look at companies that you can go learn online on data entry. Of course, it comes at a fee, but it's going to help you before you. There's no need of you applying for a job that you actually don't know what is expected of you. I've already logged in. Then I'm going to type data entry course, and this is actually one of the sites that is really, really cost affordable. So you can actually see that this one has a recommendation of 4.6, and the price goes for $16. Call it $17. So you can learn from a successful data professional, and it gives you an idea of what it is that you're going to learn. So how to become a data entry professional as a complete beginner, image file conversion, data entry and web research, live demo work, example directly from Upwork. We have Microsoft Excel as well. And pages, you can also go through them. It goes on to more than 500 pages. So it's up to you to choose which part of the data entry do you want. Do you feel you're not comfortable with? Go ahead, pay the $17, and the course will be presented for you. From there on, it's going to be a one-time payment. So you can be reviewing the lessons over and over and over until you feel you're comfortable. Then number two, we have Coursera. So Coursera is also a platform that I really love because it actually has financial aid. So in case you feel that you do not have enough cash to go pay your course on Coursera, that's one thing I love about them. They have let me just click on new courses or free courses. We get to see whether data entry is among the list. Okay, they say that the offer is no longer available, but you also have a free day trial, a 7-day free trial, and then $59 per month. Then you can cancel anytime. And they also have $40 a year, or you can have a free trial and also pay for $40 a year with 14-day money back guarantee. So go check it out on Coursera. Once you click on Coursera, then go log in or sign in, then go look for the data entry classes. You'll find them right there. They also offer cybersecurity, Excel skills for business, data science with Python, Google IT, and the list is so long, especially for those who want to change courses. Maybe you feel that you want to advance into something new. You can do it on Coursera. It's recognized worldwide. It's among the best. So those are some of the platforms that I feel I'm comfortable sharing with you, where you can actually learn your data entry and never fail to get a job. So we had that question where we had asked, what are some of the places that you could actually apply for your data entry jobs? And number one, I have Upwork. So as I was saying, you can actually use Upwork as a platform where you can apply for data entry. So I've just searched data entry and I found over 18,000, note that 18,570 jobs found. So you can either tick on the side to have a clear picture of what level you want to be in. Maybe you feel that you're still in the entry level, intermediate, and the expert. So entry level, we have around 5,000 jobs. And like for this one, PDF to Word document typing, they've entry level estimated budget is $70. So if you have Connect to apply, the Connect app, you need to apply a 4. We also have PDF conversion. Need a PDF conversionist freelancer urgently who can convert image to PDF. So you can actually do that. You only need 2 connects. We have Amazon Assistant, and actually some of these jobs have just entered right now. And then the other company where I would advise you to apply for is Fiverr. So Fiverr, all you need to do is just market yourself like these people, as you can see here. And if you feel for Fiverr, you need to have a thumbnail. And to do that, you need Canva. I've also covered a way that you can use Canva to create your thumbnail. So I'll also leave a link down below. And if you're not sure of what to write, you can actually go for these who have been given star rates of 5 and just get to read through their profile and get to see. You can actually copy paste and get to see what are some of the skills that you need. You can see for this one, she will create a content calendar for your business. This is actually a content, sorry, I didn't remember to specify that we are looking for. Let's just go back. So for this, we're gonna be searching for what? We're gonna be searching for data entry. So as you can see, we have data entry expert, data entry. So just click on these who have at least 5 star rates from the works that they've done. So you might have to maybe type a document and you don't feel comfortable with your wording. So all you need to do is paste your document on Grammarly, and then it's going to highlight to you some of the areas that you need to improve. So I'll just take an example of a document that I just pasted about war. And you can actually see on my right hand side here, it gives me a correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. So the only issues that I have is word choice, unclear sentences, and wordy sentences. So if I was on the premium version of it, it will actually give me show me or highlight for me the areas. I'll just give an example. I'll click on this. I don't know why it's not highlighting. But you see, because I'm not on the premium, it's going to have a blur effect on the rewrite sentence option that it has for me. So if you feel that you don't have enough money to pay for the Grammarly, which actually is not that expensive, I think it's $15 a month, you can find someone either on Facebook, genuine. Kindly make sure these people are genuine. There's so much fraud on the online space. So find someone who can sell it to you at around 250 if you're from Kenya, or that is $2 if you're in any other country. And this will help you out on your data entry jobs. So with that said, I hope that guys you have a rough idea as a beginner of what data entry entails. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. Kindly, if you've not subscribed, give me a subscription. Just click on the subscription down below. It's free, absolutely free, and it will help this channel grow and even